Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to turn off sound effects on the application of Twitter. You will go to Twitter as you see. In this page, you will go to above this profile and you will enter. Here in this page, you will go to settings and support. After that, you will go to settings and privacy. Then this page, you will click on accessibility, display and languages. Then we click on display. Here in this page, we click in this sign. If the sign changed, then you can now add some of sound effects on the application of Twitter app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.